I had to
Awesome.
hit, that was cool. I had to hit okay. That's kind of cool. I used to do these all the time with the lawyers.
Oh, okay.
Believe it or not, let me turn that off too. Yeah, so
Hey,
I
you
don't.
know,
What do you want to talk about? Yeah, I got some juicy stuff.
yeah, whatever. Hey, let me see if you can hear this too.
Yeah.
You probably have you ever played over Zoom?
No.
There's a what's called an original sound. Are you looking at me on your phone? Is that the deal?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For me to hook it into the board and play would be I don't know, but I usually record like with one of these. It's an iRig.
Uh huh.
I guess I could spin it a little so you can see it. Oh, that one turn.
But the original sound gives you better fidelity. Can you hear this?
Yeah,
Are you listening on your iPhone?
yeah, yeah. That sounds good.
See now, if I turn off the original sound, it'll sound.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Was there a difference?
yeah. Big difference.
Yeah. Original sound is on. So I got it on, and then I can, like I say, for playing keyboards.
Yeah.
And but I do zooms like this with other people, and I need to look into the camera. But